Hello and welcome everyone to a new episode. As you guys seen in the previous episode, when we started the Honda to go to the new garage, we found out that the carburetor is leaking from a bunch of places and we decided to rebuild it. Now you saw us drive the car there already, but in this video we're going to show you how we rebuilt it on a quick notice, just to get you an idea on how to do it. So let's get straight into it. Okay guys, till now we have this accelerator pump diaphragm which is cracked and bad, and it's also hard. So this was leaking because it is the seal in one piece, and also the float was stuck and it was leaking from here, from the adjustment screw. You can hear it. Anyway, now we're gonna remove the float and get some new stuff and then throw it back together. Okay guys, so here we have the carburetor disassembled. We took out the parts that were leaking and causing trouble. This is the accelerator pump diaphragm, which also says that the seal, it was leaking, and also it was not pumping enough fuel into the carburetor. And also we have the adjustment screw for the float. It was also seized and it was also leaking. Turns out the seal on it is, well, junk, gone. So we went ahead and got us a carburetor rebuild kit. So we're gonna be throwing the parts that we need out of this kit into the carburetor, and hopefully it will run as smooth as it was when it came out of the factory. Guys, so now we are in a time crunch, so we're not gonna rebuild the whole carburetor, we're just gonna replace the parts that are bad. We may be rebuilding the carburetor on a later video, but for now we're just gonna replace the parts that are bad. Here we have the new adjustment screw slash the screen, and also the seat for the needle. So I'm gonna be putting this unit in, all brand new. Okay guys, so now we got all the broken parts assembled and replaced. All we have to do now is put the whole carburetor back together. Then we're gonna test it on the car, and also we're gonna adjust the float height on the car. Guys, so now we got the carburetor all buttoned up and assembled back together. We didn't find this, the bottom seal did not come with the kit, so we ran out of time. So we're gonna use some shellac on it. Hopefully get it back new and sealed. We're gonna give this some time to cure before we start it up, just to be safe. Let's go throw it on. Brand new. Probably 1981. Okay guys, so now we got everything buttoned up. The shellac took its time and now probably cured. So now we're gonna crank her up. Okay guys, with that done, everything is running fine. Everything is performing and functioning as it should. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick fix video and gathered through the way some information about the carburetor. Thanks a lot for watching. See you on the next one. Peace.